In honor of Mother's Day, we're figuring out how to put a fence onto a nice little concrete pad. We've chosen these two sections. How expensive were these brackets, Dad, with inflation and everything?
This hardware is $30, almost $500. Put up 8 feet of vinyl fence.
First step, mounting these brackets into the concrete pad. Brackets are going to offer support against pushing the fence outwards, and the fence will support itself horizontally.
Same distance from the edge of the concrete. Quarters. The sturdy stuff.
What are your thoughts on this process?
I'm tired. It's coming along nicely. The most important thing is that everything has to be of correct size. If it is a 1/2 inch anchor, you must use 1/2 inch pre-drill.
So size matters. We got these two things in. The sun was overbearingly hot. Now we're just measuring the halfway point between this 8-foot long 4x4 to make 2 4-foot 4x4s, say 4 times fast, and then we plug them in. This wood might be a little too angled towards the house, so we might use shims or come up with another idea for these post sleeves. Exciting stuff, and it's a beautiful day.
Yes, sir. Whoa, there you go. It's in.
The superpowers.
Post bracket. Sometimes, which is the case now, concrete is not perfectly horizontal, not perfectly leveled. So what you can do is you can bend this in a little bit. There's a little bit of room. And then you screw it in. That's it. Go. Hammer it in a little bit to make sure that it sits tight. And then we're gonna screw it in anyway, so screws will push it in as well.
Holes have been made, the brackets have been fastened in the holes, the post has been cut to size, post has been inserted into the brackets, and the posts have been secured with special little screw thingamajigs.